In today's class, let us talk about exemptions. Till now we were learning that GST is on supply of goods and services, and we also discussed that on alcohol and on petroleum products as of now there is no GST. Does that mean on all remaining goods and services there is GST? Answer is yes. On remaining all goods and services there can be GST. I am not saying there is GST on all goods and services except alcohol and petroleum there can be GST, but government said on particular goods and services I don't want to charge GST. Now you may ask why government said so. There are certain goods which are of necessity to a common person, like certain goods, like say it is a milk or it might be a salt. If government tax on that also, the common individual cannot bear those extra additional expenditure. That is why government said on certain goods, though I can charge GST, I am not collecting GST. On certain services, not only on goods, government said even on certain services, though I can collect GST, I am not collecting GST on that. For example, say there is a patient who walks into the hospital for a treatment and a bill comes up to rupees, say 10,000 rupees. On 10,000 rupees, can government charge GST? Government can charge GST, but government said on certain services for the benefit of the common public, I won't charge GST on that. So there are certain goods on which there is no GST, on certain services on which there is no GST. We call this as exemptions from GST. So what is exemptions? Exemptions are those items, are those goods and services on which there could have been GST, but government through notification said, though I can charge GST on this, I am not collecting GST on this. So in our fourth chapter, we are going to study on what services there is no GST. I initially said on certain goods there is no GST, on certain services there is no GST, but the goods on which there is no GST is outside IPCC syllabus. So we are not discussing about goods anymore. So entire fourth chapter talks about the services on which there is no GST or the services which have been exempted from GSTs.